Hi everyone, welcome to episode 4 of our renovation series. I'm Yuki, a 3D drafter here at Starry Homestead. If you're a homeowner currently looking to be inspired by the right interior style for your new BTO, resale property, or even looking for ideas for your future reno project, you're in for a treat. We are proud to present to you a 3D drawing presentation of two interior styles very much raved among urban dwellers today, created by our talented teams of designers here at Starry Homestead. This drawing would give you a better feel of your future home. In interior design, or even the built environment industry, 3D drawing is the representation of a fully furnished and decorated room which encompasses of light, texture, and surfaces from a 3D perspective. These drawings are integral in the design process because they allow clients to clearly visualize what their future home will look like post-renovation. Today's episode is one that's closest to our heart because design with care is at the heart of what we do at Starry Homestead. We hope you truly enjoy this. Come join me as I bring you on a walkthrough of a 4-room BTO flat at 𝗕𝗏𝗂𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏. Perhaps you have heard of this project before, or you're already a resident to this beautiful estate. Let me show you the floor plan of this 4-room flat at 𝗕𝗏𝗂𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏. As you can see, this 4-room BTO is about 93 square meters, with the dining space directly outside the kitchen, which allows for an open or closed kitchen concept. This makes it easier for homeowners to zone out and plan the flow of spaces easily. As mentioned, I'll be introducing two interior design concepts on the show today. They are immensely popular with homeowners yet vastly different from each other, creating a different look and feel despite using the same floor plan. Let's dive into the first style, modern luxury. Ultra chic and luxurious with a modern edge. It's no wonder modern luxury is one of the most highly raved interior design styles here in Singapore today. It possesses an opulent vibe, yet timeless. Modern luxury can cost quite a fortune. Here we work around a budget of 60k to achieve this look for the apartment. Upon entry, one is greeted by a spacious foyer that is further accompanied by an open kitchen concept. Having built-in carpentry at the foyer allows users to conceal their belongings, creating a clutter-free entryway, while the open shelves allows users to keep their daily use items such as wallets and keys. As you can see, the whole carpentry unit uses glossy laminates, which helps in reflecting light around the area, not only brightening the space, but also expanding it visually. Fine-grained marble texture in glossy finish is used for the TV feature wall with thin groove line in gold finishes, giving off a luxury feel. Details such as black trimming balances the look and impart a modern edge to this piece, making it timeless, while a strip of cove light emphasizes on the feature wall as the room focal point. The right blend of soft finishing is vital in accentuating this look of luxury. Quality curtain adds a stately vibe to the room, while scrumptious carpet and fabric sofas soften the overall appearance, thus creating an ambience vibe. Boasting beige and cream hue with patterns that mimic the marble sills, the painting by the seating areas ties in perfectly with the interior. Instead of going for a completely open concept, this part of the home is divided into a wet and dry kitchen. The dry kitchen acts as a pantry for light refreshment such as coffee and tea, while the glass partition contains all the heavy cooking within the wet kitchen, yet providing visual cues on what's happening on the inside. The subtle pattern backsplash, together with the black detailing and gold hardware, brings a visual interest to the room's natural base, a reminder at heart that this room deserves to look good too. Dine-in style and comfort at the dining area is mixed for indulge. The plush arbory armchair and marble tabletop maintains the air of opulence without going too over. Practical yet beaming with style. The study is packed with clever visuals such as platform by the window, which makes a cozy reading spot that doubles as a guest bed. The glass cabinet and wall shelf provides ample showcase for the owner's collectible, while the combination of cove light, downlight, LED, and eyeball lights allows a precise amount of illumination. The black frame shower stalls and fittings stands out in stark contrast against the marble-like tiles of this bathroom, giving it a modern slant. This room proves that little details can make a big difference. The low hanging light features and the art-styled side table elevates the style factor in this room. We even pay attention to the handles of the wardrobe, noticing how the elegant design keeps the storage unit looking streamlined. Likened to a luxury hotel suite, this master bedroom makes you want to laze in bed the entire day. footed panel not only dresses up the room, but also acts as a headboard and make the room feel bigger vertically. At the same time, a light feature brightens up one side of the room, while the other side doesn't feel left out with a bespoke vanity nook that sports an indigenous fold-down feature. It opens up to a mirror. It also has a hollow recess to stash all your beauty essentials. Fold it back down when you need an extra counter space. Black and white master bathroom is undeniably a statement making with its modern appeal. It's made grander with accents in the form of gold handle, round backlit mirror, decor accessory, and marble painted tiles. Next up, we'll be sharing the 𝘕𝗵𝘂𝗵𝗀𝗃 concept. As you can tell from the name, it's a combination of a Scandinavian concept and biophilic concept. I'm pretty sure we are all very familiar with the Scandinavian concept. Natural tones with wood accent. But what is biophilic concept? Biophilic concept loves nature and seeks ways to incorporate Mother Nature's beauty into the built environment. The 𝘕𝗵𝘂𝗵𝗃𝗃 theme is perfect for those who want to come home to a restful sanctuary infused with calming ambience of the natural world. Come join me and see how we achieve the 𝘕𝗵𝘂𝗵𝗃𝗃 concept with the budget around 30k. This unique theme is brought to life with the help of the colour palette that is derived from the natural world, as well as Scandi liking for a pale neutral tone. Natural-inspired texture from the rattan basket, wooden furniture details, and the soft cotton throw impart a zen and calming vibe into the space. Organic design and curved edge of the furniture pieces keep the vibe laid back. What a way to be greeted by after a long day out, especially in Singapore, such a fast-paced country. The gorgeous sage hue wall mural acts as a backdrop for the mirror, opening up the public space despite closing the kitchen. With its minimal styling, natural material, and toned-down hue, the dining set is quintessentially a 𝘕𝗵𝘂𝗵𝗃𝗃. We understand that not everyone might have the option or the budget to hack their kitchen wall, which is why we conceptualized a closed kitchen concept for this space. The forest green shade is definitely a head-turner. To prevent it from overwhelming the tight space, its saturated tone is offset by white walls and white upper cabinets. With its wood tone and slim profile, compact plus countertop is subtle and tasteful to the theme's trademark look. Although both rooms were styled using the same carpentry and furniture pieces, they ended up looking different from each other thanks to the play of colours and textured laminate use. That said, both omit a sense of ease and characteristic of the concept. The semicircle handle hints at 𝘕𝗵𝘂𝗵𝗃𝗃 love for its organic form. They may be small in size, but they are making a big statement. A picture of sonority, this sanctuary hints at all the right notes. With its muted yet calming-inducing colours, they are further highlighted by the pale wood tones that are generously used around the room. The arch design of the feature wall paintings that continues throughout the entire home creates a stunning setting for your favourite downtime activities. The bathroom clean and minimal appearance with potted plants peppered around instantly revitalize this little oasis of calm. Today's episode. We hope you are inspired by the design we shared with you. Stay tuned for our next episode of Starry Reno series. Here at Starry Homestead, we believe in care that shines beyond interior design.
Starry Homestead, care that shines beyond interior design.